Hello, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Now today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2010 60 plate BMW X1. Now this is the Xdrive23D Se, so it comes very well specified from the factory. It's a 2-litre diesel producing around 200 horsepower and that's powered through a silky smooth automatic box. Now this car, you can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. It's in very nice order throughout. So car itself finished in mineral grey metallic, which is a very sought after colour for these cars. We've got front and rear parking sensors, we've got front fog lamps, we're riding on 18-inch lovely multi-spoke alloy wheels, a very detailed alloy, and those are riding on really nice tyres. Now when the car goes through the workshop, we'll improve the wheels with our wheel technician across the road. We've got privacy glass, we've got roof bars. Looking through then to the boot, a very nice spacious boot there, so parcel shelf is present, so we've got that there. We've got split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. You've got a little bit of added storage in the sides, bit of storage under here as well. But then coming through to the interior, that's where you can tell it's been very well cared for. So looking at the driver's seat first of all, this is where you tend to pick up most of your work, getting in and out of the car on the bolsters. But as you can tell, bolster, seat base, those are in nice order. Rear seats look like they've barely been sat in. So as you can tell, all the leathers are in nice order. Isofix in the bottom for your child seats, 3 seat belts, so comfortable seating for 3. Looking through to the back then, we've got our 12-volt power outlet, so ideal if you get passengers in the rear, they can charge their phones as they're driving along. Backs of the front seats, they've not been kicked and scratched, so they're in nice order as well. Now jumping inside, just going through some of the specification on the car. So we'll start on the door card. We've got electric mirrors, which are park folding, 4 electric windows with the child lock for the rear, automatic lights, automatic wipers, a full leather multifunction steering wheel. So on there is your voice command, Bluetooth phone, volume and media controls. That's all found on there. Now this is the automatic car, as I mentioned before, so you can drive the car manually if you choose to do so. Flick it into drive, to the side, that's your sports mode, and then you can go flick up and down the gearbox using the actual centre lever. Now you've got the flappy paddles there as well, so you can use the flappies as well. Onboard computer, cruise control, and as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has covered 104,991 miles, which is nothing to one of these 2-litre engines. Coming through to the centre display, we've got our multimedia. So this is basically your CD, your external devices, so this is your aux, your Bluetooth phone. Clicking back through, radio is a full FM, so you've got the channels there. Telephone, we've got navigation on the car, which is fantastic, that's very responsive. Office, BMW services, vehicle information's on there as well, your full onboard computer, vehicle status. Dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. We've got heated front seats, traction control, hill descent, aux and USB, 12-volt power outlet. We've got the centre scroll wheel and the buttons around it for the display. Central armrest is in nice order, so you've got a bit of storage within there. But the car itself, it doesn't smell like it's been smoked in, doesn't smell of any sort of pets. You can tell it's been well cared for. I've actually had the chance to drive this one myself, so I can vouch for the car. Drives really, really well through all the gears. So, if you'd like anything further on the car, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.